Oh my goodness. Maybe I really have put this off. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. You know what? You know what, little bud? You have been working hard, haven't you? Mm-hmm. And I have not been taking good enough care of you. That is for damn sure. But it's okay. It's okay. That changes now, all right? Okay. All right. So I am going to, I think, yeah, okay. I'm going to start a scan of your hard drive, okay? And we're gonna do a cleanup, okay? Bunch of those old temp files, getting out of there. Anything I haven't opened in months, getting out of there. Okay? Because you definitely could use the cleaning. And I think while that clean is going on there, you know, I have a cat. It's an unfortunate reality that cat hair just loves to get between the keys. So I'm just gonna going to very gently clean between the keys on this here keyboard. You know what I'm thinking? My old friend. I'm thinking maybe it's time for some upgrades. You know, you've been with me for a while now. Since I was in college, actually. That's a good few years at this point. You're really getting on in years. And, well, I admit, trying to run modded Baldur's Gate 3 on you on ultra settings was maybe asking a bit much. So what I'm thinking, okay, is I recently purchased some new RAM, and what's this prompt? Okay. Needed administrator password or whatever. But I'm thinking, you know, I got some new RAM for you. It's beautiful, you know. 32 gigs. So we're going to go ahead and install that. I've also ordered a new graphics card. Pretty big news, right? I know eventually I'm probably going to need a new PC, but I think you got a good few years left in you, eh? All right. Now then, while you wrap that up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the packaging on this new stick of RAM real quick. Okay, cool. Looks like the cleanup is just about done, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna power you off for a little while, all right? When you wake up, you should have some brand spanking new RAM, all right? Should feel good as new. So if I just... Here we go. All right. Now the fun part. Gotta crack open your case. I always get nervous when I'm doing this, you know? I don't know why, necessarily. It's not like it's anything I haven't seen or done before, you know? But I always worry, like, oh, what if I touch something on accident that I shouldn't? That's scary. Okay. So I'm just gonna crack you open. Okay. If I can get this screwdriver to work, that is. Uh-oh. Hold on a sec. Okay. I know you can't hear me, your computer, and you're turned off, but got myself a funny little wristband. It's keeping me grounded. Okay. So there's no risk of me screwing you up. Okay. Now, for the fun part. Maybe I need a different size. One sec. One sec. Oh, I am dropping things. I'm sure that raises your trust in me, huh? You know, something about talking to your computer. It just feels right. It just feels right. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Screw number one. Turns out I really did just need a different sized bit. There we go. You're gonna be A-okay when I'm done with you. You're gonna be A-okay. Okay, one last screw. Okay. Good. Just get this last screw out of there. And then we will be golden. Okay. There's your case open. So now I just have to, and it's nice and simple. Just gonna take this out. And then I got to just plug this in there. Careful not to touch any exposed wiring or circuitry. And okay. That should be just about perfect for you. Now I just close your case up, start you up, and we should be completely golden. Here we go. Number two. Oh yeah. we're gonna squeeze a few more years out of you, I'd say. You know, I try not to be too sentimental, but I don't know, you got me through college, didn't you? You worked hard. You worked hard. Rendering out animations at 3 a.m. for an assignment due the next day. Wouldn't trust any other computer to do that for me. Ugh, been a while since I've had to do a big render like that, you know, since I graduated. It's always a good time. Always a good time. You wrap up the project, set it rendering, and there's nothing you can do but sit and wait. You know, you're pumping out that image sequence. 6 hours for a 3-minute animation. You're just hoping nothing goes wrong halfway through. So you're idling, but you're nervous. What an experience. Okay. Let's go ahead and take care of this here screwdriver. And, okay. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Let's start you back up and... Okay. Okay, we're loading in pretty quick. I like to see that. Just put in my password real quick. Okay. Yeah, no, you seem... Let me check Task Manager real quick. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I mean that memory usage is looking kind of nice. To be honest, it's looking kind of nice. Well, how's about now that we've made these little changes? How about we give you a go, huh? How about? Oh, I'm in the mood for some Owlcat, I think. How about we play? Let's play some Warhammer 40k Rogue Trader. Okay. And we're gonna see how that works for you. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's just open it up. Okay. Well, I'm thinking maybe I play a Psyker this time. That sounds fun. What if I made my whole squad Psykers? Yeah, okay, I'm down for that. I'm down for that.